Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most rugged, high-performance trucks of 2025, the Ford Raptor, specifically the new Raptor Liner Edition. Whether you're a hardcore off-roader, a truck enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates top-tier engineering, this one's worth your attention. Let's start with the basics. The 2025 Ford Raptor has always been a beast, but this edition brings a unique twist with its factory-applied Raptor liner coating. This isn't just about looks, it's about durability. The tough, textured liner protects the truck's body from scratches, dings, and the elements, making it ideal for extreme terrain. Ford has taken what was once an aftermarket upgrade and made it a factory option, ensuring top-notch quality and a seamless application. Under the hood, the Raptor Liner Edition packs the same high-output 3.5L twin-turbo EcoBoost V6 that's become a signature of the Raptor lineup. We're talking about 450 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque, giving you insane power for both high-speed desert runs and slow, controlled rock crawling. And if you're more of a V8 purist, don't worry. The Raptor R with its supercharged 5.2L V8 is still an option. One of the biggest upgrades for 2025 is the revised suspension. Ford's collaboration with Fox has resulted in an even more refined set of live valve shocks, meaning better on-road comfort without sacrificing that legendary off-road capability. The truck's adaptive suspension system continuously adjusts damping based on terrain, so whether you're hitting deep ruts or cruising on the highway, the ride feels balanced. Design-wise, the Raptor Liner Edition keeps things aggressive. The bold grille, widened fenders, and chunky all-terrain tires make sure this truck stands out. The textured liner finish not only adds an industrial, tactical look but also enhances grip for loading gear onto the truck bed. The LED lighting setup is sharper than ever, with upgraded fog lights and those signature amber marker lights that scream Raptor from a mile away. Stepping inside, Ford keeps things rugged yet refined. You get bolstered sport seats, premium materials, and a fully digital gauge cluster. The massive 12-inch touchscreen is loaded with Ford's Sync 4 system, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an intuitive off-road trail mapping system. And for those long trips? A banging 18-speaker BO sound system makes sure your favorite tracks hit just as hard as the truck itself. Let's talk capability. This truck isn't just for show, it's built to perform. With a max towing capacity of around 8,200 pounds and a reinforced frame, the Raptor Liner Edition is more than capable of handling work duties when it's not tearing up trails. The standard 4WD system, locking rear differential, and terrain management system give you complete control over any surface, from mud and sand to snow and rock. So, who is this truck for? If you want something that looks aggressive, can handle serious off-road punishment, and offers top-tier performance straight from the factory, the 2025 Ford Raptor Liner Edition is a no-brainer. It combines the legendary Raptor DNA with an added layer of protection, both visually and physically, making it one of the most unique trucks in its class. That's a wrap for today's review. What do you think of the new Raptor Liner Edition? Would you take this over a traditional Raptor? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. See you next time.